besides its surroundings, Picobot is also aware of its state. State will have a single value. We see here in the example, state 0, state 0. The first number here in the instructions, in the code we write, will represent the state. So for this particular set of rules, there are two states, state 0 and state 1. The state in general refers to the context in which a robot is at one point. But maybe that doesn't make a lot of sense to you right now when I would just say the context. But think about it, if you formulate a strategy of how you want Picobot to sweep this room, and we'll talk about it in a little bit, you come up with very distinct steps. For example, no matter where Picobot starts, no matter if it's next to a wall or in plain empty space in the middle, I want, when Picobot starts, to go to the north until it encounters a wall. Well, that would be state 0, because Picobot always starts in state 0. And then we write instructions thinking about how will we tell the robot to go to the north. I mean, you can kind of guess a little bit. We would have to say, move north, move north, move north, move north. Keep moving north until you encounter the north wall. And that's exactly what this example of the rules do. In state 0, starts with nothing, go one step north, right? So wherever you start, keep going one step north. Which brings us to the rules. How does Picobot move? Now the Picobot knows its surroundings, knows this 4-letter, 4-character code, knows its state, knows that it starts in state 0, for example, and then every time, at every step, the computer basically will go to the rules that we have written, looked at only the rules for the state Picobot is in. Picobot is in state 0. We're going to look at the 2 rules in state 0. And then it will figure out which of the rules applies to the current surroundings. So the format of the rules is the state, the surroundings, then the arrow, the direction in which the robot is supposed to move, and the new state the robot will be in after that one step is taken. So this translates in if the robot is in state 0 and if the surroundings match the 4-character key here, then the robot should move north and stay in state 0. Don't change the state. This is a little bit different. If the robot is in state 0, if the surroundings match this 4-character key, robot should move west and move to state 1. There's also an example here where instead of N, S, E, or W, north, south, east, or west, we see an X. X basically signifies don't do anything. If you're in this state and if the surroundings match this, then just stay put, don't move at all, but in this case you change the state.